Hey guys, we've got a 2005 ASV RC30, and these guys, they're nice little machines. It's kind of hard to get a battery for them that's the right size. The compartment seems to fit a BCI 70, size 70. The problem is I can't find 70 battery with the cranking amps that I want. So if I go to a 75, then I can get 800 cranking amps or 650 cold cranking amps, which is more what I need. I kind of live out here in the sticks, and about I don't know where it gets pretty cold up here. But anyway, so the problem with this battery is it's a little bit bigger, and it's tough to get in and out of this little hole. So we're going to show you how to get the bigger battery in and out of the hole without having to tear your machine clear apart. So what we do is we tilt the battery up on the end with the positive side down, and we slide it right down in like this. It'll just barely fit. Okay. Now, just work it in. Back into that corner like that. Then turn it clockwise, or I'm sorry, counterclockwise. Into position. And that's it right there. To take it out, you do it just the reverse. It's the only way I've been able to get it to come in and out. It's only about an inch bigger than the 70, but that inch makes a lot of difference. Let's see, and then we just come straight up with it, and it's a little tight right here on this cowling, but it'll come. And there it's out. Hopefully that'll save you a lot of time and headaches, guys. Let's see. Okay, run one more time. Straight in like that. And tuck it back into the corner. There we go. And then spin it counterclockwise into position. It's tight, but it'll work. There's your tie down hole on each side, and your plate across here. Bolt her down, hook her up, you're good to go. Hope that helps, guys. Good digging.